Nara dire signal oh. Dali dapit.
Umitin lang kill din.
Now you might be wondering why the rest of the area mag-stand. Okay, so we also have here our ates and kuyas who will be distributing our leaflets for you to know and to read the information regarding AMCC. Now let's have Kuya Clark for so we don't ganahan sila. Ganahan mo. Okay, so who wants to be a psychologist? Wala. A guidance counselor. Okay, we have the I-Access, the Legal Access Institute of
good opportunity to all of you. Okay. A pleasant good noon, everyone. Since 12 o'clock is fast approaching. My team there is our registrar, Ma'am Jane Alquesa, the chairman for campaign, Ma'am Flora, and staff, Sir Michael, Sir Roel, Ma'am Angeline, and some of the students. Okay, so to Ma'am Risa, thank you very much, Ma'am, for inviting us here for this career guidance and expo to your graduating students in grade 10. Kinsay ganahan mo eskwela nga libre tanan walay bayad bisan piso. Raise your hands. Tanan ba mo ganahan? Okay, so you are lucky because our school, Legal Access Institute of Technology Incorporated, which is located at the third floor, the listed building, Palao, in Ligan City, fronting the newly constructed Palao Market. Diha ang among eskwelahan. We are small but very good. Okay, so our staff and students, kinsa may gusto mo pursue og college after graduation sa senior high school? Walay bayad na eskwela sa senior high school. Okay. For those who want to take ABM gas and fumes, we have additional TVL truck for free. Duha ang inyong mahuman. Dili po ni pugsanay, ha? Dili ni mamugos na mo enjoy po sa amuang school, but I will give you the opportunity. So katong paper na ilang hatag, inyo nang fill up, that's a reservation. Dili na ingon nga i-enroll mo na. And also, after graduation in senior high school, you are attracted to the 3 exit points. What are those 3 exit points na ako gi-mention? First is to become an entrepreneur. Pwede mo magnegosyo kay daghan mo ma-earn na skills. Second is to find job. Attractive mo manarbaho kay kamo tanan gusto man mo manarbaho. Attractive mo for employment kay daghan man mo mahuman na skills. Imagine 2 to 3 programs pag naapagid may scholarship from TESDA, madato na ka. Kay while studying, nagtrabaho ka, nagnegosyo ka, hit mo ang 3 exit points after graduation sa senior high school. Di ba attractive kayo? I give you an example. My goddaughter graduated last March, last aged to find job. Since libre man ang amo ang duha sa YUMS, di ba? As I said, namin libre nga duha sa YUMS ka sa DBM. Nakahuman siya of bread and pastry, nakahuman siya of housekeeping, and then naman scholarship na dihatag sa mga sa TESDA, na with allowance pa siya in CSS Computer System Servicing, na ay allowance na worth 11,000, naka-receive siya allowance na 11,000, and another TESDA scholarship of bookkeeping, naka-receive na po siya another allowance mga almost 5,000 plus. So, pila ka na natin na-earn na skills. This is real, ha? Ako siya pinatay. Ako goddaughter. Graduate last year in our school. So, galing training, so wala ako pupunta. Ako yung mga sa pag-ampon at ang pag-ampon. Kaya yung pag-ampon ko, practice ko sa board na everyday naman mag-spell siya, mag-usa na siya everyday, mag-ampunan siya. So karoon, ano siya ganun sa kaisan mo. Okay? So during this is the curriculum of FF now for senior high school is integrated ang atong mga trivial track. So you are lucky na gano'n ang mga tao mag-comply or umay ng mga programs. So we will make sure also that in our class schedule, listen, our class schedule for those who are working, na-attend schedule na fitted for you. Pwede mo apply for modular para makatrabaho mo. And then our module also is free, libre. Walay bayad tanan sa amua. Libre jud sa piso. You can ask our graduates na kanang wala mo bayad. So sa modular nga naay mga working students, pwede mo dito. And then sa atong regular students, our classes is 3 days. A combination of modular and face-to-face. Dili man po pwede wala kay face-to-face kay mag-actual man ka. Kung saan man nimo pagpasiga o suga sa EIM o dili ka mag-actual. Ang atong modular is only the theory. Dayon, mag-welding man ka, mag-driving man ka, mag-cooking man ka. So tanan, ato ginasang kapunan. So dili mo ganahan anak. And then, during Foundation Day celebration, because we are going to balance. I-balance yun natin ang academics and also the extracurricular activities. In order na dili ma-board ang students. So every month, naatay mga activities. Naatay linggo ng wika, English week, mathematics week, science week, and so on and so forth. And during the Foundation Day celebration, naatay contest with prize, cash prize with the Mobile Legend contest, and also Duta, and also ball games. So tanan, ato din na siyang i-make balance. Kaya dili ko pwede na puro lang na academics, maka-board po siya. Diba? Okay, so again, if our programs, because we submitted our 3-year diploma sa TESDA last December 2024, and a 3-year associate in electrical engineering, mechanical. If you want to pursue for college, libre na po ang inyong tulong at tuwid sa college. Kaya maka-appeal mo dito sa among 3-year diploma, mag-applyan na mo sa TESDA. So ang gasto na lang sa inyong ginikanan is IIT with a title of Magna Cum Laude, Summa Cum Laude, Cum Laude, and with honors. Actually, our principal right now is a graduate in NSU IIT last 2 years ago as Magna Cum Laude. Hindi basta-basta makakuha Magna Cum Laude sa NSU IIT. When he applied in our school and made a demo, we are impressed to him. And we hire him as principal. As of the present, he is now our principal in our senior high school and junior high school with the high caliber of our faculty members with other schools. Thank you very much, and God bless us all.
Thank you, ma'am. So, isa na lang. Last.